In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to align text in Inkscape. If you're designing logos, thumbnails, posters, or any kind of graphic, properly aligned text makes your design look clean, professional, and balanced. A lot of beginners place text manually by dragging it around, but Inkscape actually has built-in alignment tools that make this process much faster and much more precise. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple method to align text perfectly using the Align and Distribute panel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to center text, align it to objects, and quickly position it exactly where you want on your canvas. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Inkscape and create a new document. To add text, select the Text tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Then click anywhere on your canvas and type the text you want to use. Once your text appears, switch back to the Select tool by clicking the arrow tool at the top of the toolbar or pressing the shortcut key S on your keyboard. This allows you to select and move objects on the canvas. Now click on the text object you just created so that it becomes selected. You should see a bounding box appear around the text. This means the object is ready to be aligned or moved. Next, we're going to open the alignment controls. Go to the top menu and click Object, then choose Align and Distribute. This will open the Align and Distribute panel, usually appearing on the right side of the screen. This panel is where all alignment options are located in Inkscape. Inside this panel, you'll see several alignment buttons. These allow you to align objects to the left, right, top, bottom, or center. If you want to center your text on the page, first make sure the option labeled Relative to is set to Page. Then click the button that says Center on Vertical Axis. This will perfectly center your text horizontally on the page. After that, click Center on Horizontal Axis to center it vertically. Your text will now be perfectly centered on the canvas. You can also align text relative to other objects. For example, if you have a shape like a rectangle and you want the text centered inside it, select both the rectangle and the text. You can do this by holding the Shift key and clicking both objects. Once both objects are selected, go back to the Align and Distribute panel. Make sure Relative to is set to Last Selected or First Selected, depending on which object you want to align to. Then click the alignment buttons again. This will snap the text directly into the center of the shape. Another useful trick is aligning multiple text objects. If you have several pieces of text, select them all while holding the Shift key. Then use the alignment buttons to align them left, right, or center. This is extremely helpful when creating titles, lists, or structured layouts in your design. Using the Align and Distribute panel instead of manually dragging text saves time and ensures everything is perfectly positioned. It's one of the most useful tools inside Inkscape, especially when working on professional-looking designs. And that's how you align text in Inkscape quickly and accurately. Once you start using these alignment tools, you'll notice your designs become much cleaner and easier to organize. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.